Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video and go through what you're expected to do this week. So if you look on the home page, I'm going to post the week 3 walkthrough video, which is this video, and then up under the week 3 walkthrough video you'll have the actual assignments. Okay, so we are on week 3, and your week 3 assignments are going to be due June the 20th. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm just going to click on announcements. This is the announcement that you will get for week 3. This will be sent to you and will also be posted on the home page. So, alright, so week 3, you're going to be looking at chapter 3. Okay, you really need to make sure that you're getting familiar with debits and credits. Don't get behind, because this, of course, this class builds. We're getting into adjusting journal entries. So you really have to have a good foundation of your normal balances of your accounts and journal entries. So here are all the assignments that you're going to be looking at and completing. Of course, you have the lecture videos. You're going to submit video quiz, adjusting journal entries. You have a walkthrough assignment that you'll complete. You'll have the adaptive study plan in Cengage and the homework. And then you also have a Kahoot on adjusting entries. And also, you're going to be working on test 1. And you will submit it. And here is the password. Do your best. Okay. And remember, your weekly announcements are on your home page. And you can also use that course calendar. That is an important course information, and it has all the due dates on it. Okay, so if you have any questions about anything, feel free to message me. I'm going to move over now, and let's look in the module. Okay, so we scroll down, and we're going to look at chapter 3 if it loads here. Alright, so okay, there's test 1. I actually have it up here before chapter 3 because it only covers chapters 1 and 2. Okay, so there's test 1, the module with the study buddies, and then here is chapter 3 module. And I have a lot of notes in here for you to view. And here are all your assignments. So this week you will be completing the chapter 3 module and the test 1 module. Okay. And like I said, if you have any questions, you can message me. Contact information is on the home page. And I hope that you have a great week.